The best job in the world. A journey of passion and purpose. A dream beyond boundaries. From a very young age, Arian had always been fascinated by adventure, while other children dreamt of becoming doctors, engineers, or teachers. Arian dreamt of a job that would take him to every corner of the world. He wanted to wake up every day with a sense of excitement, knowing that his work would never be monotonous. He believed that somewhere out there, his dream job existed. After completing his degree in journalism, Arian started working as a travel writer for a local magazine. Though the pay was modest, the thrill of exploring new places kept him going. Every weekend, he would pack his bags, visit a new location, and capture its essence in words. His articles slowly gained popularity, and soon, a well-known travel agency offered him a position as their in-house travel blogger. But Arian knew he wanted more. He wanted a job that didn't feel like a job, a career that combined his love for adventure, storytelling, and meeting new people. An unexpected opportunity. One evening, while scrolling through his emails, Arian came across a job advertisement that seemed too good to be true. It read, "The best job in the world, seeking an enthusiastic, adventurous individual to travel the globe, explore exotic locations, and share their experiences through blogs, vlogs, and social media. Salary unbelievable. Perks unlimited." Arian's heart raced. Could this be real? He immediately clicked on the link and found himself on a website created by a global tourism company. They were looking for someone to become their official travel ambassador. The selected candidate would spend 1 year visiting luxurious resorts, stunning islands, and breathtaking destinations, all expenses paid. The only requirement: passion and creativity. Without wasting a second, Arian filled out the application form, submitted his best travel articles, and recorded a short video explaining why he was the perfect fit. He knew that thousands of applicants would apply, but something in his heart told him he had to take this chance. The journey begins. A month later, Arian received an email that changed his life forever. "Congratulations! You have been selected for the final round of the Best Job in the World contest. Pack your bags. We're flying you to Australia for the ultimate selection process. Arian couldn't believe his eyes. He was among the 10 finalists competing for this dream job. The company flew him and the other candidates to the Great Barrier Reef, where they were tested on their storytelling skills, creativity, and adaptability. They had to snorkel among vibrant coral reefs, document their experiences, and create compelling travel content. For Arian, it was pure bliss. Every challenge felt like an adventure, and he gave it his all. He interviewed locals, captured stunning drone shots, and crafted engaging narratives that transported his audience into the heart of each experience. After a week of intense competition, the final moment arrived. The CEO of the company stood before the contestants and announced the winner of the best job in the world is Arian. Tears filled Arian's eyes as he stepped forward. He had done it. He had secured the job that people could only dream of. Living the dream. The next 12 months were nothing short of magical. Arian traveled across continents, staying in overwater bungalows in the Maldives, exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, and experiencing the northern lights in Norway. Each destination brought a new story, a new adventure, and a deeper appreciation for the world. His social media following skyrocketed. Millions of people followed his journey, living vicariously through his breathtaking photos and immersive storytelling. Travel brands partnered with him, and soon, he wasn't just an employee, he was a global influencer, inspiring people to step out of their comfort zones and explore the world. The bigger purpose. As his journey continued, Arian realized that the best job in the world wasn't just about luxury and travel, it was about impact. He started using his platform to promote responsible tourism, highlight lesser-known destinations, and support local communities. One of his most memorable experiences was in a small village in Africa, where he helped build a school for underprivileged children. His followers, inspired by his story, donated generously to the cause. For Arian, this was the true meaning of his journey. UCNG, his passion to make a difference, a job that never ends. At the end of the 1-year contract, Arian had a choice: return to a normal job or continue his journey. The answer was clear. He had found his purpose. He established his own travel brand, launched the successful YouTube channel, and authored a best-selling book about his adventures. Years later, as he stood on a TEDx stage, addressing thousands of aspiring travelers, he smiled and said, "The best job in the world isn't about money or fame. It's about waking up every day excited to do what you love. And if you haven't found it yet, keep searching. Because once you do, work will never feel like work again." The audience erupted in applause, and Arian knew his journey was just beginning.